Hello viewers, we will see how to create the ANSYS Workbench archive or zip file in this short video. So to create the zip file, first open that ANSYS file in the Workbench project schematic space. Then go to the File menu and select the Archive option. It would ask for file save if you have not saved the file. It would ask for the location where you want to save the Workbench file or the zip file. Select all the options and create the zip file. This file would be saved as .wbpz file format. This zip file can be sent via mail or any drive link. Hope this short video would help you. Thank you.